Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 8 incredible most advanced vehicles in the world. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. It seems like people are always talking about cars of the future and what automobiles will look like in a few years. Self-driving, electrified, and even flying automobiles are discussed in detail. However, the reality is that there are already a large number of advanced, ultra-high-tech automobiles available on the market today. Many of the automobiles on the road today are equipped with a variety of innovative technologies, gadgets, and gizmos. For folks who enjoy technology and are early adopters, there are many solutions accessible. While they may not be able to fly yet, here's a look at the world's most remarkable and technologically advanced automobiles. Number 8. PARS 6x6 CBRN. The PARS CBRN reconnaissance vehicle is equipped with 3 chemical detection units, which are used to detect the presence of dangerous industrial compounds and chemical warfare agents both within and beyond the vehicle's perimeter. An additional unit can be installed in the glove box to identify solid or liquid samples, but it can be removed from the vehicle when the vehicle is being used for dismounted operations. The chemical analysis of samples is supported by a gas chromatograph and mass spectrometer unit that is mounted on the vehicle's roof. In addition, the vehicle is equipped with a standoff detection system, which uses laser technology to detect chemical items up to a distance of 5 kilometers. The car is capable of performing continuous detection and identification of biological agents within the glove box. Radiological and nuclear detection is carried out using exterior gamma radiation detectors, an internal radiation detection device, and individual crew dosimeters. An integrated area marking system and a double-wheel sampling system are also included in the PARS CBRN. These systems allow the vehicle to undertake safe manual sampling and contaminated area marking chores while still in its cab. In order to notify the crews of potential CBRN risks, vehicles equipped with CBRN detection equipment communicate with CBRN warning and reporting software installed on the vehicle. Number 7. Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector UHAC. The Captive Air Amphibious Transporter CAAT is a tracked amphibious vehicle prototype being developed by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency (DARPA). The vehicle drives on air-filled pontoons attached to the tracks and is intended to demonstrate how standard 20 or 40-foot containers can be transported from ordinary container ships to shore without the use of a harbor or a pier. DARPA is researching its utility in catastrophe situations so that commercial shipping can relieve military ships of their duties and allow them to concentrate on military missions. One of 4 components of the Tactically Expandable Maritime Platform (TEMP) program, the CAAT is one of 4 components that include a containerized living quarter, a stabilized crane, and an unmanned powered parachute that delivers containers by airlift. Number 6. SHEPR ATV. SHEPR is an ATV intended for rough and rainy terrain. The company is certified to worldwide quality standards ISO 9001, and its offices are located in Winnipeg, Canada, Kiev, Ukraine, and St. Petersburg, Russia, among other locations. Russia. All of the company's cars are sold throughout the world through a large dealer network that includes ARGO and STREIT Group. The enormous wheels of SHEPR vehicles, which have an onboard system to inflate or deflate them, are the vehicle's distinguishing characteristic. This allows the vehicle to move through water, cross brushwood, scramble and climb up thin ice. Other manufacturers, such as Big Bow and Shatton, have taken inspiration from this design approach. Articulated steering. Number 5. SureFly. The SureFly is a 2-seat hybrid eVTOL aircraft designed by American truck manufacturer Workhorse Group before the program was bought by Moog Inc. for $5 million in December 2019. In addition to a 200-horsepower gasoline generator, the hybrid electric vehicle has a range of up to 70 miles, 110 kilometers, in an hour. It has 4 propeller arms, each with 2 electric contra-rotating propellers driven by a gas turbine or piston engine generator combined with a battery pack. It is expected to cost $200,000 and be capable of lifting a payload of 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. It also contains a ballistic parachute. Number 4. Terrafugia TF-X. The Terrafugia TF-X is an autonomous flying car currently in development by Terrafugia, a Boston-based company specializing in robotics. A combination of an engine and 2 electric motors provides propulsion for the TF-X, which can accommodate 4 passengers. Instead of taking off and landing from a horizontal position like the previously planned transition, the TF-X is capable of vertical takeoff and landing by extending its retractable wings, which are attached to pusher propellers. While aerial propulsion is given by a duct fan at the back, it will be able to fit in a single-car garage with relative ease. The TF-X is expected to have a flight range of 500 miles, 805 kilometers, with a cruising speed of 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour, and will be powered by 2 plug-in hybrid electric motors producing 600 horsepower each and a 300 horsepower gasoline engine. Road speed is presently unknown. Number 3. Renault Float. When it comes to their concepts, Renault has always been one of those automotive manufacturers that is willing to push the boundaries of what most people would consider to be a car. Central St. Martin's UAL, University of the Arts London, MA Industrial Design students were tasked with imagining their vision for the future of mobility after receiving a straightforward brief from the company. The Float, created by Yuchen Kai, suggests Renault's future could be in modular bubble pods. The designer, who was born and raised in Shanghai, focused on a modular design that included peanut-shaped bubble pods that could be connected in a variety of ways depending on the situation. In contrast to the typical propulsion system, which includes power being transferred to the wheels, the Float moves by using maglev technology, which is comparable to that used by bullet trains. Yuchen Kai's The Float concept took first place in the competition, beating out both Stephanie Chong Louis Flo and Tuna Yenisai's View designs. Number 2. Yamaha MOTOROID. A proof-of-concept experimental electric motorcycle, the MOTOROID is aimed at new kinds of personal mobility in which the rider resonates in perfect harmony with the machine. It is designed to be ridden by one person. MOTOROID was developed under the concept of an unleashed prototype in order to generate new Kando * experiences based on Yamaha's distinctive development ideal of Gene Key Kano in order to create new experiences of Kando *. Kando is a Japanese word that refers to the sentiments of deep satisfaction and tremendous excitement that we experience when we come upon something of remarkable worth in our lives. By utilizing artificial intelligence and autonomous technology, MOTOROID is equipped with high-precision balancing control, and it has the ability to recognize its own state and alter its center of gravity accordingly, allowing it to stand up off its kickstand and remain upright without assistance. Because of its human-machine interface, it can also detect its rider and move forward to meet him or her, as well as react based on the actions of the rider, HMI. These, among other features, enable MOTOROID to serve as a true companion to its owner, in addition to a number of additional features. Number 1. Mars Rover Vehicle. NASA has launched 5 robotic vehicles to Mars, known as rovers, over the course of several decades. Sojourner, Spirit and Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance are the names of the 5 rovers, which are a combination of their names. This graphic illustrates all of the rovers which have driven on Mars, as well as the Mars helicopter. Rovers are vehicles with wheels that are designed to go about. They descend on the surface of Mars and drive around to different areas. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.